This is the most accurate buy-sell indicator on TradingView, and there is a couple secrets during this video that you're not going to want to miss. Welcome back to the channel, my name is Trades by Mo. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, and if you want to learn exactly how I trade, then please click the first link down in the description. But let's get straight into this strategy so I can show you exactly how this indicator takes powerful perfect signals and to show you the results that I got over 100 trades. So there is actually only one indicator that we'll be adding to the chart. This is a very powerful buy sell indicator on TradingView, and I'll show you all that in a minute. So the first thing we're going to want to do is head up to indicators at the top, type in SSL channel, and it is the SSL channel by Miss Tricky. It is this second one here in the community scripts. Now make sure you click this indicator twice because we want to add two of them to our chart. But just before we do that, let me quickly tell you about Flux Charts and why they've sponsored today's video. Flux Charts has a massive range of insanely powerful indicators for any type of market. I have actually tested out a few of their indicators on the channel, and I love them very much. And most importantly, have had very good success with them. I want you to join Flux Charts today because I want to see more traders break through the wall. And Flux Charts might just be the key that you need to finally become a profitable trader. And I really want you to succeed. So you've got two options. Option one is to click the link below and try out the Flux Charts 7-day completely risk-free trial for yourself. Yes, completely risk-free. And option two, Flux Charts were kind enough to give a 20% off code at checkout. So use code MO and you'll be making money back already. So don't wait any longer and take the leap, and I will see you in the Discord making money. Let's get back to the video. Now we're trading this strategy on the 5-minute chart, so this is what our indicator will look like. But here is the difference. For the second SSL channel, we will be changing the multi-time frame to the 15-minute chart. Although we are trading on the 5-minute time frame, by having this indicator visibly tracking the 15-minute chart will give us a much higher advantage when taking them trend trades in the market. It also allows us to use the free basic plan on TradingView, and we won't have to flick between time frames to try and figure out what's going on. But this is a very simple indicator, and we are going to have some very simple rules, but make sure you watch to confirm exactly what they are. We have two lines right here. The closer one to price represents the 5-minute SSL channel, and the larger one that's further away represents the 15-minute time frame. Now we also have these buy and sell indicators, but there is a few rules that we have to use before entering these trades. Now the first rule for this strategy is we want to see the 5-minute SSL and the 15-minute SSL cross. This has to be a very clear cross where price is pushed away and the 5-minute SSL has followed, and then we can start looking on to step 2 for taking these trades. Now, step 2 for this strategy is after the cross has happened, we want to see price move very far away from both of these SSL channels. Then we want to see a kind of pullback to these zones, and price must either reject off of the 5-minute SSL or the 15-minute SSL. We can see right here that price is rejected off of the 15-minute SSL and then came back below the 5-minute to signal our sell trade. It's important to know that for taking sells, we only take sells when price is below both of the SSL channel lines. Ideally, we do not take trades when price is ranging between both the 5-minute and the 15-minute channels. But now that we've had our cross, we've had our pullback to the channels, and we now, for step 3, have our sell confirmation. Enter the trade on the close of the candle. And for this strategy, we will be going for a 3 risk to reward ratio. So the stop loss will be targeting 25 pips or 25 points. And then with that, you can work out the 3 risk to reward ratio. And that is where our take profit will be targeting price to hit to make us profits. And there we go, for our first trade. Price has actually hit the 3 risk to reward ratio, giving us a 3% profit on the account straight away. Now let's look for our next setup. And not long after the first trade, price has pulled back towards the 5-minute SSL channel. And as this is a downtrending market, we do not want to be entering buys during this time. And we can now set our stop loss to 25 pips and target a 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so our second trade for the strategy has actually hit stop loss. You can see this wick here has actually spiked through. It was very close, but with spread on a lot of brokers, this would have definitely meant that your stop loss would have been triggered. So we can now look for our next trade. Remember, we're only looking for sell trades because the 5-minute SSL channel is below the 15-minute SSL channel and the 15-minute line is red. And a few candles later, a sell signal triggers when price finally crosses back below the SSL channel, turning it from green to red. So let's now enter our 3 risk to reward trade. And there we go, you can see this trade has now hit a 3 risk to reward ratio and price spiked through our take profit before turning back around. But there's some clear examples of sell trades during this beginner strategy, so now let me try and show you some buys. So as we can see, the 5-minute SSL channel has now crossed back above the 15-minute channel. Both channels are green, so we can now look for our step 2, which is a pullback and then a buy trade confirm. And not too long after the cross, we have our pullback to the 5-minute, which gives us our first sell, but as price is in an uptrend, we will not be countering these. So let's enter our 3 risk to reward ratio and see if it hits our take profit or stop loss. And this trade hit our take profit with a huge spiking candle, which was most likely news, securing us another 3% profit on the account. But so far this strategy is going very, very well. And here is our second buy trade confirmed for the strategy. And there we go, there is our final example of a buy trade hitting take profit, again for a 3 risk to reward ratio. So it is now time to show you 100 trading results with this very strategy scalping on the 5-minute time frame. So please hit that like button if you're excited to see the results. And remember to check out my course if you haven't already. And here are the amazing results. We did 249%, almost 250% on the account, taking us all the way up to $3,499. Over 100 trades, we had a 57% win rate. Although this is less than a 60% win rate, the higher risk to reward ratio you try to achieve, naturally, the lower the win rate will become. The only thing I didn't like to see was 4 consecutive wins against 5 consecutive losses. This is a very good strategy. Please check it out for yourself. This indicator is listed on TradingVIew and is super beginner friendly. But if you've enjoyed this video, then check out this video right here where I show a premium indicator that is now free. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.